Let me just say this. I'm going to approve this agreement, but I want to make sure that everybody understands. You have two children. They may be adults, but take it from me that, your involvement with them and your contact with them does not end with the fact that they turned 18 years old. And the fact that you are going to have contact with each other in some capacity because your children are growing up. They're going to get, you need to be quiet when I'm talking. The fact of the matter is that from this point forward, the restraining order is going to be applying to negative things or things that might be said about her. Now, if you choose to poison the well with your children about their mother, that's up to you. But I can guarantee you that if you do that, that will come back to bite you on the rear end, because they'll know that what you're doing, and they'll hold it against you rather than against their mother. I hope that's not going to be the case, but you are prohibited from disseminating false statements or disseminating negative statements about her to any of her friends or family, or trying to contact her employer. The language of that restraining order is going to be very specific, and you're going to have to do that. You might have to say, oh, I've got a right of free speech. You can say anything you want to, but there's a limit to what we call the limit to free speech is when it damages someone else. For example, the example used in law school is always yelling fire in a crowded, falsely yelling fire in a crowded theater where people get trampled to death trying to get out of the theater. That's free speech, but it's not free speech when it causes harm to someone else. So understand, this is all being designed to try to quiet things down so that you can enjoy the rest of your life and she can enjoy the rest of her life without having to worry about whether or not there's something going on between the, if you're worried about, she's going to be worried about